Today we're busy doing the assembly for the bed frame for the 110 Land Rover camper conversion. So I'm busy putting all the boards in place. I'm putting a piano hinge on this frame so that we can lift the board that we're going to have in place and utilize the small amount of storage space underneath. No storage space is wasted. So I made a bit of a boo-boo. Basically, after putting these lids on, I realized that something was wrong because they are very tight, and I've put the lids the wrong way around, because I also can't open this fully up against the front row seat bulkhead, because this catches the capping on the top of the bulkhead. In addition, this needs to be trimmed because this lid catches and can't open further than that.